Hi, I am Nisha, Salesforce developer from Suyati Technologies. We are going to learn about Google Apps in Salesforce. Google Apps is a collaboration services hosted by Google and designed for business users. If your organization has a Google Apps account, Salesforce administrators can enable Google Docs, Gmail, and a host of Google-related App Exchange apps customized for the use within Salesforce. It is great, isn't it? Now let's move on to our org for the demo. So this is our developer org. Now, the first step is configuring Google Apps domain settings. For this, select the setup, select the Google Apps, under that select settings. Click edit. Choose a user for Google Apps administrative contact field. This person is the point of contact for Google Apps users in your organization. Specifically, if a user cannot access a Google Apps service, he or she is directed to contact the Google Apps administrative contact. Enter the Google Apps domain that you registered with Google. For example, if your company's URL is http www.suyati.com and you created a Google Apps account for the suyati.com domain, enter suyati.com in the Google Apps domain field. Then save it. Thus, we have configured the Google Apps domain setting. Now, next we'll activate the Google Apps services. The first one is add Google Docs to salesforce.com. Select the edit option. Google Docs allows you to create on-demand documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, edit them in your browser, and work together in real time with other collaborators. Now to activate this, click the checkbox, activate the Add Google Docs to Salesforce feature. Then also, I agree to salesforce.com terms of use for Google Apps. Then save it. Now, to see the service, we will go to the object, for example, candidate, and take a record. Then we can see here Google Docs, notes and attachments. Previously there were only notes and attachments. As we have activated this feature, we can also attach Google Docs in it. Now select add Google Doc. We can select a document, a spreadsheet, a presentation. Now for example, I'll select a document. We can give a name for that. Then create Google Doc. See, this is our Google Doc. We can write anything and see it in future. That's it. See, we have created a new Google Doc in our object. Now we'll move on to the next feature, Gmail to Salesforce. Gmail to Salesforce allows you to automatically log emails and chats you send from your Gmail account as activities on lead, contact, opportunity, and other records that support activity history in Salesforce. Gmail to Salesforce is based on the Email to Salesforce feature. To activate Gmail to Salesforce for your organization, from Setup, click Email Administration, Email to Salesforce. To configure your personal Gmail to Salesforce setup, from your personal settings, click Email, then My Email to Salesforce. So we can configure here. Now first, we will activate the service from Google Apps. settings, edit, we'll activate this, then click send notification email. So we'll get a notification email in our account. So this is our email. So this email has a content: your administrator has enabled email to Salesforce for your organization. On the road, at home, from any email account or client, email to Salesforce allows you to log emails you send as activities on leads, on contact, and opportunity records in Salesforce.com. When you blind carbon copy emails to your email to Salesforce address. So this is our mail. Now we'll move on to our org. So then we'll select the email administration, email to Salesforce. That is it is activated. Email to Salesforce, it is activated. And for personal Gmail to Salesforce setup, click my settings, personal, from email, my email settings, and give the settings as per our necessity. So this is our Gmail to Salesforce. Now the next feature is Gmail buttons and links. Gmail buttons and links add Gmail links next to email fields on all records and adds compose Gmail buttons in activity history list on leads and contacts. When you click a Gmail link on the compose Gmail button, Salesforce automatically logs you into your Gmail account and automatically populates the to field. If the Gmail to Salesforce is activated, Salesforce also populate the BCC field with your email to Salesforce address. So let's move on to our demo. Take the settings, then click edit on Gmail buttons and links, then activate the Gmail buttons and link feature, add to all email fields, add compose Gmail button to activity history list on leads and contacts, and also the checkbox I agree to Salesforce.com terms of use for Google Apps. Then save it. Now when we take the leads object, take a record. Now we have a new option in our activity history, it is compose Gmail. As we have activated the Gmail to Salesforce, we have also got the BCC to Salesforce automatically. Now if we take any other object like candidates and take a record, we can see a link here which also directs to our Gmail, which gives an automatic BCC to Salesforce. This is due to the Gmail to Salesforce feature and also Gmail buttons and links. This is great, isn't it? Now there is also one more feature, Google Talk sidebar component, but this is not working now, it has been removed, so we'll not discuss about it. So this is all about Google Apps in Salesforce. Thank you.